Hello, Omar. Hello, Mr. Sayyad, Khalil. Would you mind if I ask you about your personal life? No, I wouldn't mind at all. Go ahead. How many members are there in your family? There are 5 members. How many siblings have you got? I have 1 sister and 1 brother. Who is the eldest in your family? My sister is the eldest child. Who is the youngest in your family? My brother is the youngest child. Are your parents still alive? Yes, they are. Who is the most loved child for your parents? My parents love us equally. What work does your father do? He is a teacher. What work does your mother do? She is a housewife. Who is the head of your family? My father is the head of the family. Who supports your study and your living? My parents support me. Who do you live with? Nowadays, I live with my parents, my brother, and my sister. Who is your father's brother? He is my uncle. Who is your mother's sister? She is my aunt. Who are your uncle and aunt's children? They are my cousins. Who is your father's father? He is my paternal grandfather. Who is your mother's father? He is my maternal grandfather. Who are the children of your son and daughter? They are my grandchildren. How do you call your grandma and your grandpa? I call them my grandparents. Do you look like your mommy or your daddy? I am more similar to my mother than father. Who are your sister and brother's children? They are my nephews and my nieces. Who is sister's husband? He is my brother-in-law. Who is the mother of your wife? She is my mother-in-law. Who is the father of your wife? He is my father-in-law. What should you do to pay gratitude to your parents? We have to study hard, respect them, and take their advice to make them happy. Thank you, Omar. You are welcome. Mr. Sayyad.